ECAT preparations. Documents you should keep with you in the examination center. Exam slip, 2 copies. Original ID card or original result card of matric or first year. Marks distribution. English 10 MCQs of 40 marks. Mathematics 30 MCQs of 120 marks. Chemistry 30 MCQs of 120 marks. Physics 30 MCQs of 120 marks. Total 100 MCQs of 400 marks. Paper solving pattern. Time duration 1 hour 40 minute. Paper is arranged in 4 parts in order to manage time, which is helpful to achieve high marks. There is negative marking. 1 right answer give you 4 marks while wrong answer deducted 1 mark for the total. However, if in case you have 5 MCQs remaining and you don't know the answer of a single one, I suggested you to tick that 5 MCQs. If you don't attempt them, you got 0 marks. If you attempt and 1 is true, other 4 is false, you got 0, no effect. If you attempt and 2 or more MCQs are true, then you get positive marks in the total.
First, English 10 MCQs from this part consists of a comprehension paragraph, length 1 to 1.5 page, solved by screening and scanning. Second, Chemistry consists of 30 MCQs, mostly the lines of book, easy to understand, take lesser time than Physics and Mathematics. Third, Mathematics consists of 30 MCQs. In first attempt, solve the question that easily solved by small and direct calculation or single formula, then left it to solve in the last remaining time. Fourth, Physics consists of 30 MCQs. In first attempt, solve the question that solved by small and direct calculation or single formula. In the end, solve the remaining Physics and Mathematics MCQs. Universities accepted: ECAT, University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore sub-campuses, Kalashakaku, Faisalabad, Narowal, Chakwal, BZU Multan, University of the Punjab. Many private universities. Thank you.